Hello, people. You know, they say no. Everything is. It can be a blessing in disguise. My previous phone, it was a Lenovo phone, and I was pretty attached to it, and it was working fine. But it's like I like to use my phone for as long as possible. So it worked for more than a year, and more than that, almost 2 years. Yeah, year to easy 2 years actually. Let's say, but then suddenly it conked off. So I had to necessarily go and buy myself a new instrument. And while buying the Oppo phone, I remember thinking that, oh my god, I think perhaps this is not such a good thing, that I almost got tricked into buying it because I was told there's some kind of discount offer and this, that. And the general mindset that we have, like, of Chinese products not being so great. But like I bought the Oppo phone after after buying it, I realized it was a Chinese product, something like that. But no offense meant. I mean, some of the really nice stuff comes from from like Chinese products are nice, yeah, many of them. This is coming on the net with so many people watching, so they're good. But so anyway, the point is, when I got this Oppo phone, I never realized that I can shoot the perhaps the best quality about the phone is its camera feature, video. And who would know, yeah, that now, like, I'm able to shoot these nice clear videos because it's an Oppo phone. So in life, something that seems like a bad thing may actually be a blessing in disguise. And this is something, it really, it makes one think, so then you would stop seeing so many things as negative, when in fact there can be a very definite positive to it. So that's my little nugget of wisdom for this particular video, and I really wish I could upload it. I wish the net was a bit more cooperative, but all the same. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.